How to safely remove and clean your filters on your reverse cycle ducted system. Cleaning your reverse cycle filters, same as your split system filters, is the single best thing you can do to help the efficiency of your system. So many of our callouts over summer and winter are due to blocked filters. Step number 1, turn off the power. Before you begin cleaning the filters, turn off the power to the unit by switching off the circuit breaker or isolating your system. Step number 2 is locating the air intake grille. The air intake grille is usually located in the central area of your home, such as a hallway or ceiling area. You may need a ladder to access it. Step number 3 is remove the filters. Gently unscrew your filter grille to access the return filter. The filters from your unit, taking care not to damage the filter and the grille. Step number 4, if you feel comfortable doing this, we also like to remove the return air grille itself and give this a clean as part of our service process. Step number 6, we recommend taking the filters and grille outside, and these are washed with a hose from the back of the material to the front. If the filters are clogged with oils and debris, similar to your split system filters, we like to spray a heavy duty Viper degreaser on the filters and leave for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. Step 7, allow the filters to dry. Once the filters are clean, allow them to air dry completely before putting them back into the unit and closing your return air grille. Step 8, turn on the power. Once the filters are back in place, turn the power back onto your system, test the system to make sure it's functioning properly.